ChatGPT versus Google Gemini versus Meta AI in 2025. Today, we're comparing the three biggest AI platforms of 2025: ChatGPT by OpenAI, Gemini by Google, and Meta AI by Facebook's parent company. Which one is smarter, faster, more useful in daily life? Let's break it down. First up, ChatGPT. Powered by OpenAI, ChatGPT is currently one of the most popular AI chatbots in the world. It's known for its deep knowledge, creative writing ability, coding help, and natural conversation flow. Plus, it supports images, voice, and advanced tools like browsing and file analysis, especially in the Pro version with GPT-4. Next, Google Gemini. Formerly called Bard, Gemini is Google's answer to ChatGPT. Its biggest strength: live internet access and tight integration with Google apps like Gmail, Docs, and Search. Gemini is powerful at summarizing emails, organizing tasks, and answering fresh questions using real-time data. Now, Meta AI. It's built into Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, making it super convenient for social users. Meta AI is great at answering quick questions, generating images instantly, and even chatting in DMs. It uses the La Llama model and focuses more on casual interaction and entertainment than deep productivity. So, which one should you use? If you want the most detailed answers, coding help, and professional writing, ChatGPT is still the king. If you need real-time answers or help with your Google tools, Gemini is your best bet. If you mostly use social media or want quick AI inside Messenger or Instagram, Meta AI is fast and fun. In short, all three are powerful, but they serve slightly different purposes. Use the one that fits your daily routine, or better yet, combine them. Which one do you use the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech breakdowns.